on dry hair, you want to hold the nozzle close to the scalp and begin to spray the product. So you want to work it in with your fingers right on the scalp. And make sure it's really saturated. And Coco Loco is great for teens because it doesn't have to be applied in the shower, and what teen wants their mother in the shower with them? So Coco Loco is quick and easy. It took me a minute or two to apply it, and there's actually no need to rinse it out. So I finished saturating Bree's scalp. I'm just going to brush it through and then do a nice little braid, and she's all done. So I just did a braid because it's wet, but you can always just blow dry it. It dries very nice. It's not oily or any residue left over, and then that's fine too. So to use Coco Loco as lice prevention, first you want to do a braid or a bun, and then a light mist on the shell of the hair.
To protect fabric surfaces like pillows, stuffed animals, bedding, or furniture, just a light spray and you're done.